So, Frank, what has arrived in the post?
Well, good morning. Well, I don't know what exactly has arrived in the post because it's so discreet, the packaging, and it's so fast. I ordered it yesterday, actually. Let's have a look. Aha!
Oh,
It is the Enhanced Fertility Test, which covers both men and women.
and what are you going to be testing?
Specifically today, I'm going to be doing a finger prick test to collect a small blood sample in order to test my testosterone levels.
Oh, wow. So, can you show us what's inside the pack?
I can, of course.
I love our pink packaging. Okay, so that is, what's that paper? It's your request form.
This is my request form, which has all of the important
Details.
information that I need. It's got my contact details and instructions for the lab.
Okay.
That can go over there. Then we have the warning. It's important. So the accuracy of your test may be affected if you don't read and follow the sample taking instructions. So I'm going to carefully read the sample taking instructions. It's a good thing I have an advanced nurse practitioner at home to help me take the sample as well. You're also very lucky that I'm not taking a sperm sample live on Instagram as well. It's just a blood test, don't worry.
Yes.
Not that I'd ever agree to that. This
The postal instructions?
is the postal instructions. We'll come back to that later. Basically, when you receive your test, you receive a postal slip that you send back to the lab, and it's free post. So here we go. Let's have a look at this. So this is the sample collection leaflet. This explains step by step what we're going to do, and you can also copy me. So here we are. A copy of these sample instructions will be found on the website, and we're going to go through that process step by step now, aren't we?
Perfect.
Also included in the test, as I mentioned, this is your return slip. So this is a sticker that you stick to the outside of the box when you're ready to send your kit back to the lab. It's free post. Now, what else have I received in the kit? Ooh, goodies. So, I'm going to have to talk you through this one. This is the Jiffy bag that you will send your results back in for the post. You will fix to the label. Now here, we have our sample collection tube. The sample collection tube has been neatly designed so that you can actually fit the tube in. And here we have our lancets, our wipes, and plasters and other goodies. So here's what to expect when you're doing the test. Right? We have some plasters. We have the label that you need to affix to the sample. So you need to write your surname, your first name, your date of birth, and the date of the sample. We have our alcohol swabs. And of course, we have our cleaning wipes. Also contained in the test kit are 3 lancets. This is just like a finger prick test for diabetics when they want to check their blood sugar. It doesn't hurt. At least I hope it doesn't hurt. We'll see. Jump forward in the video to see whether or not I'm screaming in pain or didn't feel a thing. I promise not to be a hypochondriac. So there you go. You've got 3 lancets. Here. Scan the QR code or visit efp.clinic/test-kit for the instructions. You have your step-by-step instructions in the leaflet. You can see here. Now, when it comes through the post, I know it can be intimidating the first time that you're using this, but let's go through this step by step. You've got your 3 lancets, your collection tube. You can stand the collection tube neatly inside.
Do you want to show us that?
Yeah, I think that's a good idea. So
So that's when you're collecting the blood, it can stand there, so it's easier for you to collect.
It's quite a clever design feature
Well done.
that we've got there.
So I guess the first step is what? Washing your hands?
It's probably a good first step.
So you've just washed your hands. Now what?
Now,
Alcohol swab.
take the alcohol swab.
And you're going to disinfect your little finger. Very good.
I'm taking the blood from my little finger because I'm wearing my wedding ring, and not that it ever comes off, but it's not coming off, and it's not restricting blood flow. So
that's good to know. So now you're gonna get the lancet, and you're going to twist and remove the tip. Twist it. That's it. And now it's ready to be activated. Okay, so you're going to press it against the side of your finger.
Here?
Yeah. Yeah, you see the blood?
I do.
Okay, so now you need to gently massage the side of your hand and put the blood in the sample. Really good.
That didn't hurt at all. Taken the sample, filled it up to the top line. Now, this has already been turned a few times, so you need to do it 10 times. Then you need to
put the label on it.
Of course. First time we're here. Like this?
Yeah. Perfect. So they know that it comes from you, has your details. And now you're going to put it in the protective case. Yeah, that one.
Here, like
yeah.
so?
Yeah, and I'll close it. Perfect. And now you're going to open the white box where your kit came. You're going to put that. You're going to put your used lancets in there. And you're going to put your request form.
This is my request form.
Yeah.
Fold it up into
so they know
folders. They know it's me.
Who you are. You can close it. Perfect.
Exciting. Always wanted to know how much testosterone I have.
Now you're going to put it in the blue envelope. You're going to close it.
It's for dramatic effect.
Close it. Perfect. And now you need to affix the stamp, the prepaid stamp. Yay. You're almost there. By tomorrow, you will know your testosterone levels. How exciting is that? I mean, if you wanted your GP to test your levels, you'd have to give them a call, try and get an appointment, wait a few weeks for that appointment, explain why you wanted to have it done. convince them that you actually need it, and then he would request it. You would have to book the phlebotomy service, book a day to go there, and then have it done, and then wait for the results. A week later, you'd have to call the GP and know your results. You will have your results tomorrow. You ordered this yesterday and you'll have your results tomorrow. How exciting is that?
It's phenomenal. That's what we've been working so hard on. Okay, thank you very
Right.
much.
Off to the post. So are you finally putting it in the post?
I am. Off it goes.